Hello, Stevie here, and today I'm showing off my shops again. I have digital images of new ones for my Etsy shop here, and I have collage and scrapbooking. Well, it can be used for any kind of paper crafts in these two shops, supplies for them. And then the books I've gone through and I'm purging, lots of purging. So there's some good deals there. And then my original shop has good deals in it also. Just a little for people who need supplies. This one is a vintage shop too, so you have all kinds of things in there. But starting with this one, but I wanted to show you the black walnut stain that is just been put in the outside of them. The green part that falls when they first fall, but it's starting to turn a tea, kind of a tea color now, but it's in the window. See what happens, how long it takes. And this is kind of my Halloween colored-ish kit. And there's 4 pages. These I thought were kind of cool. And they will make great pockets and tucks and things. That one. And then I have another horse one that I put in a kit. These are from Public Domain Pictures. And I've got some cool ones there too, and they're already put in tucks and pockets and journaling page or a signature. And these are all on light cardstock. To make them, or you can print them out on anything you want. These happen to be on that, so I can use them. But this is the other horse listing that I put in a envelope kit. And there's nice envelopes to use in your junk journals. This one I tried to match up so when you fold it over, it matches and doesn't cut off the heads of the horses and stuff. I still have to actually cut those out and try them. Here, let's just do that then. Let me cut this one out. Let's see. Trying to hurry. Hopefully that doesn't make me cut it wrong. Little flaps are so it's easier to glue. You don't lose as much room. And I'm going to cut that a little close. So let's bend this down like that and put this on the line. That's not quite. There, maybe that'll work. There. Hey, not too bad. It's not like absolutely perfect, but it's really quite close. Fun. So, thank you for watching. Don't forget to check out my shops. Really is the way I make my living. Like, share, subscribe to my channel, and give me positive reinforcement with comments if you want. And I'll see you in the next one. Bye.